Hello guys, it's me again, Vera Lucia, and you may have noticed, well, I started earlier. I chose topic 15 because all the other ones were already taken. And I wrote the label, my name, as instructed by Nelly Deutsch. And then I wrote a message, come back later, still in construction. And I found out that it's possible the to insert your own drawing. Look at that. If you toggle, yeah, I have already done this. See, let me see where was it? Where was the drawing? Here. See that little crayon? Draw a picture. And I drew this. Only when I inserted it was very big, but it's possible to, if you click with the right button, you can insert or edit. Not table, here, insert or edit image, and then you can dimension, see, it was originally bigger and then I reduced. So okay, I'm not going to do anything because I think it's cute as it is, small as it is. Okay, save and return. So now I'm going to show you what I did and a feature I didn't know about Moodle. Because when you get the resource, add a resource actually, oh, it's an activity I'm going to insert. The big blue button. I was curious, and let me show you what it does. So add, it's you create from real-time classroom using this platform. It's a web conferencing system. Pretty cool. So you add that. General settings. I'm going to Bohemian Rhapsody, so you know it's me, him. I could send a notification to students in the class, but since there aren't any, I'm not going to. Activity settings. Okay, I'm going to write a message. And you are welcome to join. Oops. Join in. Okay. Wait for moderator, record settings. Okay, no presentation content. I would have to, since I don't have anything planned, I could upload files, but I'm not going to. Participants, all the ones that are enrolled, and the teacher. I can assign roles to the schedule for the session. You notice the schedule is showing the time it is now here in Brazil, in Porto Alegre. But I'm not going to enable time to open or to close. So I'll leave it like that. Okay, tags, no tags. Okay, save and return to course. Now let me show you what happens when you go back to the port. You see the Bohemian Rhapsody here? So let's click and see what happens. This conference room is ready. You can join the session. So let's join and see what happens. It will ask you to, oh, there's a cool statement. Research is creating new knowledge by Neil Armstrong. Okay, loading. There. So the message comes in Portuguese, but it's asking me how I would like to participate, to enter, using just a mic, or using a mic, or just as a listener. I'm going to choose the mic. Okay, so I want to speak. Now this is a sound test. Okay. See, I can hear my voice. Okay, so it tells me I'm the only one here. Sorry, nobody's here to join me. You can record the sessions here. You can record, that's what it says, but you have to click on the button initiate or finish recording at the toolbar on the top. We'll see that. Okay, let's say okay. Here it is then. Silence mode. I can show my camera here. Let me put this. Okay. This is very similar to Adobe Connect. I have used this once. So here it says, look, I'm here. It shows I'm here. Let's see. You are welcome to join in. That's my message there. Okay, here is the button to initiate recording. So that would allow teachers and to record and students to see it later. That's pretty cool. Okay, so let's go back to, I'm gonna here I can share screens too. Very nice tool. Okay, but I don't want to. I'm going to go back to the Moodle page. There are no recordings because I didn't record anything, right? So I go back. Wait, I have to. Okay. And okay, so that's the first activity, or an activity I didn't know. But according to what Nelly said, she added lots of these. I don't know, maybe because I have used the free Moodle, so maybe this one is paid. It has more different resources, so that's something I would like to ask later on. I'm going to play around with all these other features here, but I guess that was a cool, I'm going to cancel because I want to go back. That was a cool, and I'm going to turn editing off, so this is what students will see, what the course looks like. Okay, that's it for now. Bye.